How to delete repository on GitHub. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. Let us jump into this topic. We are looking at our repositories on the left-hand side over here. This is where your list will be. And let's say you don't want to have one anymore on GitHub. We're going to go ahead and delete it. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your repositories and tap on the one that you would like to delete. We can now see that there are a few options in the toolbar right at the top, and we're going to scroll all the way over to settings and we're going to tap on that. Now this is basically where you will be able to change everything about this repository. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can see over here the last option under the danger zone is delete this repository. Now of course we're going to tap on this delete this repository, and it'll give you the information about it, and you're going to tap on I want to delete this repository. Over here it says unexpected bad things will happen if you don't read this, so do make sure that you read this and make sure that you understand. You can then tap on the icon, and it says to confirm you need to type this in. So we're going to just go ahead and we are going to copy that and we are going to paste it. You can now tap on delete this repository and it will successfully delete this repository. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. We'll see you next time. Cheerio.